Judges, judges for this category. Judge number 1, B. Sasidharan from Tamil Nadu. Judge number 1, please report. Relax. Relax, gentlemen, relax. Please interchange. Hold the pose. And relax. Relax, gentlemen, relax. Moving to pose number 3. Your side chest, any side chest. Flex. Mr. Arsu. And relax. Relax, gentlemen, please turn around for pose number 4. Your back, double bicep. Up. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Face the judges now. Your final pose. Pose number 7. Your abdominal with thigh. Flex.
Oh, Mr. India.
And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please step back and stand according to your trunk numbers.
आवाज दे रहे मिस्टर इंडिया.
Over to you, Divya. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Moving to pose number 2. Your front lat spread. Flex. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Moving to pose number 3. Turn towards any one of your side. For pose number 3, your side chest. Any side chest. Flex. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Please turn around for pose number 4. Your back, double bicep. Up. Hold your pose. Hold your pose. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Moving to pose number 5. Your back, lat spread. Flex.
Good.
And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Moving to pose number 6. Your side tricep. Any side tricep. Flex. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. The final pose, pose number 7. Your abdominal with thigh. Flex. Hold your pose. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Thank you. Please step back.
एक विनर होने वाला है ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी. म्यूजिक प्लीज. round of applause, please, for them. Stop the music. Thank you. Very, very congratulations to them. और इसी कड़ी में आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं नईम अहमद जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वे मंच पर जाएं और द फोर्थ प्राइज गोज टू
Club number 8181, Benjamin Gerald from Tamil Nadu.
भाई एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can I have a huge round of applause, everybody? इसी कड़ी में आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं गौरव प्रकाश सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वे आगे जाएं और नाउ हम अनाउंस करेंगे द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल विनर एंड ही इज
The bronze medal in this category goes to truck number 9797, Sandeep Savle from Maharashtra.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Alright, and now the silver medal. So this is going to be a deciding note क्योंकि हमें पता चल जाएगा कि अभी का winner कौन है. And the second, to give away the second prize, I would like to call Vinay Singh ji. आप आगे आइए sir, Vinay sir, please. Alright, and the silver medal goes to
Truck number 8080, Kumari Sudhir Kumar from Andhra Pradesh.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the silver medal winner. Very congratulations to the silver medal winner. तालियां बजा दीजिए please for the winner. And now for the first award, I would like to request Mr. Anandeshwar Pandey ji, Dr. Anandeshwar Pandey ji कि वे आगे जाएं और gold दें. The gold award goes to
The gold medal in 65 kilogram weight category in the 10th Federation Cup goes to truck number 7878, Ajit Singh Jamwal, Jammu and Kashmir.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the champion of the category, everybody. Very congratulations to you. I would also like to request from Health Nutrition, Mr. Akhil to join in. Health Nutrition से अखिल जी भी join कर लीजिए. And with that we are also giving, this is a special voucher on behalf of Health Nutrition. Please sir, and this is on behalf of Health Nutrition. Akhil ji, behalf of Health Nutrition also we are welcoming you. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए सर के लिए. Alright, thank you so much everybody. Very, very congratulations to you.
With your 4 compulsory poses, judges, 8 selection. Judges, please select 8. Gentlemen, starting with your 4 poses, your pose number 1, your front double bicep, up. Relax. Moving to pose number 3, your side chest, any side chest. Flex. Relax, relax gentlemen, please turn around for pose number 4. Your back, double bicep, up. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. And now, for the fourth prize, मैं अर्शु सर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि वे आगे जाएं to give away the fourth prize. अर्शु जी, please sir. All right, and the fourth prize goes to
Drum number 105, Mr. Kalai Saran from Tamil Nadu.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां please for the winners. Come on everybody, make some noise.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And now I would like to welcome Surendra Sharma ji. Please come forward, sir. And we are going to give away the bronze medal, and the bronze medal goes to
Drum number 102, Javed Mohammed from Jammu and Kashmir.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां प्लीज for the bronze medal we've been giving. मैंने आप लोगों को कहा था प्लीज तालियां जरूर बजाइए to help them and to motivate them for what they did, the struggle they had been through.
Thank you.
मैं श्री इमरान खान जी से भी रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वे आगे आएं. इमरान खान जी प्लीज आगे आएं. All right, get set for the silver medal. And this is a decision making क्योंकि हमें पता चल जाएगा कि गोल्ड किसको मिला है. So the result is.
And the silver medal goes to drum number 110, Saddam Qureshi from Uttar Pradesh.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां प्लीज for the silver medal. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And now I'm going to move ahead with the first prize and would request Mr. Navneet Sehgal ji, please आप आगे आएं और गोल्ड मेडल प्रदान करें हमारे विनर.
And the 70 kilogram category winner of 10th Federation Cup is drum number 118, Tausif Monik from Maharashtra.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां everybody, come on. Now this is the champion award for this category. तो चैंपियन के लिए चैंपियन वाली तालियां बजा दो यार, थोड़ी तालियां तेज कर दो. Alright, and this gift product is from Akhil ji from the Health Nutrition. Thank you so much and very congratulations to each and everybody. Alright, very congratulations to each and everybody present over here. Now we are going to move ahead with the group photograph. with that, I would like to thank DJ Sushan and rapper D Zohar.
5, 1, 3, 4. Please pay attention. Give the pose at the same time. Hold the pose. Starting with your first pose. Pose number 1. Your front double bicep. Up. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Moving to pose number 2. Your front lat spread. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please turn towards any one of your side for your pose number 3. Your side tricep. Sorry, side chest. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please turn around for pose number 4. Your back double bicep. Up.
कोई नहीं है बहुत बढ़िया
Relax, relax, gentlemen. Moving to pose number 4. Your back 5. Your back lat spread. Flex.
चपका के एकदम
And relax, relax, gentlemen. Please turn towards any one. Agnish Joseph from Tamil Nadu.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. The fourth one goes to Tamil Nadu, everybody. तालियां नहीं बज रही है भाई, थोड़ी सी तालियां जरूर बजा दीजिए प्लीज everybody. Come on. Alright, so we already know who is the top 3, but to move ahead, I would like to call upon Monu Sabharwal. The third prize goes to,
And the bronze medal in this category goes to rank number 135, Vivek Kumar from Uttar Pradesh.
Vivek Kumar ji के लिए जोरदार तालियां everybody. Come on. Make some noise for the third winner, bronze medal winner for the category. Very, very congratulations to you, sir.
The silver medal goes to rank number 152, Mahek.
For the silver medal winner, everybody. Very, very congratulations to him. Very congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And now we are going to move ahead with the first prize winner.
And the winner of the 75 kilogram weight category in the 10th Federation Cup is rank number 141, Prashant Nayak from Uttar Pradesh.
Very, very congratulations to you. And here we have the category champion, everybody. Very, very congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Only the gold medal winner.
And now, I would also request our dignitaries to come on the dais. Chetan ji, Madhok ji, Vikram ji and Vikas ji, please मंच पर आ जाएं. Thank you. मैं विदेशों से चेतन जी, अरविंद जी, विक्रम
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਡਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਅਕਲਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਣਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਉਹ ਦੇਸੀ ਜਗੀ ਦਾ ਟਰੈਕ ਜਿਨੀ ਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਗੱਡ ਗੱਡ ਤੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਣਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਣਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਜਗੀ ਦਾ ਟਰੈਕ ਜਿਨੀ ਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਗੱਡ ਗੱਡ ਤੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਤੇ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਣਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਲਖਨਊ ਦੇ ਬਣਾਉਂ ਮੁੰਡੇ Sina, Tamarina, Tamarshakina, Tamarchalina, Delapamina, Kainana, the message and the Yasina. Okay, Talapia, out in the Tamaki, and I will be trying to take it all over there. Look at all the around the journey, like a ball, put your hands up in the air. The key, the trap, the key, the Siri, got the cut, the speaker, the other, the around the day. Around the day. Woo! Oh, they see the key, the trap, the key, the Siri, got the cut, the speaker, the other, the around the day.
क्या बात है, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज फॉर जोहारेज.
And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Pose number 3. Your side chest. Flex.
क्या मतलब है?
Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please turn around for pose number 4. Your back double bicep up.
खिला तो लो, बाद में तुम लोग मार रहा होगा ना। उठा पूरी राहुल है। वो देखो
And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please face the judges for your final pose. Pose number 7. Your abdomen with thigh. Flex.
कहाँ लेके जाओगे? कहाँ लेके जाओगे? तुम जहाँ जाते हो कि चले जाओ, हम तुमसे क्या पूछ रहे हैं? चले 4 पूरे दूर है.
Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please step back. Mr. Sabarwal, please pay attention.
हेलो हेलो
Please step back.
हेलो
Turn number 168
हेलो
to turn number 175. Please step forward. 175. Please step forward.
अरे मिल जाएगा मार्केट में, देखो स्पेंसर. हाँ
निखिल के पास अभी है 10 रुपये लाएंगे मिलेगा सर.
वो जिम में है मेरे, हम मंगा देंगे. चलो अच्छा,
तुम लेके मत देना.
वो यहाँ कहीं नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें.
Okay, gentlemen. I'll call out your trunk numbers. Please raise your hand and acknowledge the crowd. Trunk number 168, Ravindra Kumbhare from Vidarbha.
अभी हम
Trunk number 169, Abhishek Bisht from Uttarakhand. Trunk number 170, Anup Verma from Uttarakhand. Trunk number 171, Sartaj Alam from Uttar Pradesh. Trunk number 172, P. Anand Rao from Chhattisgarh. Trunk number 173, Anik Ghosh from Jharkhand. Trunk number 174, Rahul Kumar from CRPF. And trunk number 175, Parnandi Ram Mohan Rao from Telangana. Gentlemen, please face the judges, starting with your 4 compulsory poses. Pose number 1, your front double bicep up.